Transform your garage into a profit powerhouse with just a few smart investments. This video reveals 20 ingenious business ideas that can turn your underused space into a thriving hub of creativity and income. Ever wondered how a simple garage can become your gateway to entrepreneurial success? Stick around as we dive into these exciting opportunities that promise more than just parking space for your car. Elevate your finances with WealthWise Insider, wisdom for wealth builders. Hello everyone! Today we're excited to share with you the top 20 business ideas for garage-based manufacturing. Let's explore these practical and potentially profitable ventures together. Let's get started. 1. Mini construction. With silicone molds and cement, create small building blocks packaged as assembly kits. This affordable project targets both children and adults. Making 1,000 bricks might cost around $2, but the kits can sell starting from $30. Market them online or in toy stores for good profit margins. 2. Custom aquariums. Start a business crafting custom-sized aquariums, which are great for decor elements for homes or offices. This niche is less competitive and can be quite profitable. With a starting budget of around $1,500, you can equip a small workshop and produce unique aquariums that sell for a significant markup. Leverage social media to showcase your unique aquarium designs and attract a broader audience. 3. Garden figures. Produce garden figures using molds and a shake table. Initial investment is low, mainly purchasing molds and materials. Sell your creations through garden centers or online. This idea has a quick return on investment, potentially within a year, making it a smart choice for garage entrepreneurs. 4. Metal sponges. A machine for metal sponges production represents a low-cost, high-demand product suitable for wide-ranging stores. The machine automates production, allowing for substantial daily output. Startup costs are about $3,500, and the profitability is high due to the ongoing need for cleaning products. Optimize production scheduling to maximize output and meet the growing market demand efficiently. 5. Bench with built-in planter. Manufacture benches with integrated planters, ideal for enhancing urban and residential spaces. The product combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, making it attractive to city councils and homeowners. Startup costs are minimal, mostly requiring basic woodworking tools and materials. 6. Bedside table for pets. A bedside table with a built-in house for pets caters to the growing trend of treating pets as family members. The startup cost is low, around $500 for tools, with a potential profit of about $5,000 monthly, depending on production capacity. Utilize online platforms to showcase the comfort and style of your pet-friendly furniture. 7. Nail manufacturing machine. Nails are always in demand, making a nail manufacturing setup a reliable business. A machine costs around $1,000 with similar shipping costs. Place the compact machine in your garage and market the nails to construction companies or hardware stores. 8. Mini blacksmith. Establish a mini blacksmith shop to take custom orders for metal products like staircases and furniture. This venture requires a higher investment, around $15,000, but offers high returns on custom projects. Ideal for experienced blacksmiths or those passionate about metalworking. Conduct workshops or demonstrations to highlight the craftsmanship and quality of your custom metalwork. 9. Production of washcloths. Set up a machine to produce washcloths, a regularly purchased household item. The machine costs around $1,000 and startup expenses total about $2,500. Sell the products to supermarkets and hardware stores for steady income. 10. Designer felt boots. Create and sell designer felt boots, particularly targeting children with colorful, decorated options. Startup costs are minimal, under $200, with the potential to make up to 3 pairs per day. Sell each for $50 to $100, appealing to fashion-conscious consumers. Develop seasonal collections to take advantage of holiday markets and special events. 11. Drawer tables. Produce tables with hidden storage or drawer compartments, perfect for space-saving needs in homes. Initial costs are around $1,500 for woodworking machinery and materials. This furniture style is popular in smaller living spaces, offering good sales potential. 12. Furniture from driftwood and twigs. Use natural materials like driftwood and twigs to create unique, eco-friendly furniture. This low-cost startup, needing under $200 for materials, caters to environmentally aware consumers and can double as art pieces. Host DIY workshops to engage with customers and create interest in sustainable furniture making. 13. Wooden shelving units. Build custom wooden shelving units, useful for organizing and dividing spaces in homes and offices. Startup requires woodworking tools and materials costing about $2,500. Focus on custom orders to meet specific customer needs for functionality and style. 14. Coffee tables for co-working spaces. Design and manufacture modern coffee tables for increasing popular co-working spaces. Start this venture with around $2,500, creating tables that appeal to a young, trendy audience. Offer customization to fit various decor styles and setups. Collaborate with local artists to find limited edition designs, adding exclusivity to your products. 15. Frames for greenhouses. Produce metal frames for greenhouses, a seasonal but profitable business. Start with basic metalworking tools costing around $1,000. Use online plans to manufacture frames, offering competitive pricing to outmatch larger producers. 16. Candle factory. Start making candles in your garage, a business that spikes during holidays. Learn this simple technique and purchase materials like waxes and wicks for under $200. Candles can be customized and are excellent for gift giving, ensuring a broad market. Develop a series of themed candles for various occasions to broaden your product range. 17. Wooden vases. Craft wooden bases for glass vases, a unique decor item that's simple to produce but offers a high aesthetic value. Start manually with common woodworking tools and consider scaling up as demand increases. This product is perfect for gift shops and online marketplaces. 18. Colorful stools. Manufacture colorful, stackable stools suitable for modern interiors. With minimal initial investment in tools and materials, this product can stand out in a market with few competitors, offering functional yet decorative appeal. Create a visual online catalog to showcase the range of colors and styles available for your stools. 19. Loft-style furniture. Tap into the growing trend of loft-style furniture combining wood and metal elements. With an initial investment of around $6,000 for materials and tools, focus on custom orders for a niche market willing to pay premium prices for bespoke pieces. 20. Outdoor decor items. Create and sell outdoor decor items like birdhouses or wind chimes. These products are popular for their aesthetic and functional qualities, appealing to a wide range of customers. Start this business with basic materials and tools, expanding as your market grows. Organize local market appearances to showcase your outdoor decor items and interact directly with potential customers. Thanks for joining me to explore these exciting garage-based business ideas. Which of these business ideas sparked your interest and what's stopping you from starting today? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your plans and help you kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. And don't forget to subscribe to WealthWise Insider for more insights and tips. Until next time, remember, smart wealth, wise future.